Alright guys, so we made progress on the truck on the boxes in the back. And I tell you what. I don't know how to explain it. I'll just show you guys. So I cut all this out. I cut the panel out. Here's the two panels here. And I'm not lying when I tell you I've been doing this for almost 4 hours, just grinding down the welds and getting it ready to put and fit the new pan. And surprisingly, we actually got the new pan in here and we fitted it and it's good. So I'm going to tack that in just a little bit. But we started with the back because we thought that'd be the most sturdy, and then do the sides afterwards, because you can see there's holes here. And yeah, this one was the worst, and yeah, worst anyway. They're all pretty bad, but this will be the most sturdiest to hold it up while we do the other two. We got the big pan. Can you see it? No? Okay, never mind. It's on the table in there. We cut it out. I got it sitting right there. We're going to put it in here, and I'm going to put a couple tacks in quick, and I'll see you then. Okay, where do you want me to go next?
So like right here, where it's close. Alright, now do this corner.
Consider yourself lucky. I took my oldest back to school. She insisted I drop her. What did you How long?
Okay.
This way.
Now work your way where there's no gaps along the bottom. Get a couple tacks in there.
There's gaps everywhere, just about.
Well, get it right here. Get it right here. We'll fill the rest. Just like that. You can do it a little heavier, a little hotter, longer. It's a lot hotter, a lot heavier steel. So, there you go. That sounds good. Now, before we get too far, start tacking the top. Do this corner because it's lined up. Okay. Now, let me push this on a little bit. Tell me when it's even.
A little bit more.
Well, where are you going to weld? I don't want you to burn my fingers.
Right here.
Alright, so I'll push.
A little bit more.
Just weld it. Alright, come over towards the middle. Over where?
Back a little. Right there. Well, back. Yeah, right there.
I got quite a gap here, but we can probably fill it. Yeah, that looks nice. Good job. Nicely done. You're getting the hang of the gas too. The heavy steel is a lot easier than body metal.
Yeah, true.
Hey man, that looks nice. I think that is probably. Why don't you throw another couple? I'll get that. Let's pop that corner in. I'll have to get the hammer.
Yeah, I'll break all my welds back off.
What?
Said break all my welds back off.
Well, I hope they don't break. Just, alright, do it right here. This knob on this. That'll go away once we cut this side off.
You just want me to start doing a whole bunch?
Just pop a few more in, and then we're going to call it a night. You can do a couple more on the bottom. You can do the side, and the sides. These sides need to be.
Okay, let's do it on the side. cute little thing. Alright, so I got that all tacked in. It looks pretty good. Looks like it fits perfect. We're gonna finish it in the morning because it's 1 in the morning right now, and I got physical therapy at 10 o'clock. So I gotta go in and take a shower quick and head to bed. Sucks it's late. We could have got some more stuff done, but it's fine. I'll be back around noon tomorrow to start working and finishing this up. Dad's probably gonna weld it solid, and then we'll cut the sides and stuff. He can walk it better or whatever. I tried that.
At least I know
It takes a lot of practice.
Yeah, so.
You just, I'll let you do the sides.
Yeah.
It's not as long. I'll try to show, and you can watch how I do it.
Yeah.
With your helmet on and learn how to watch the puzzle and follow your line.
At least I know his
It'll be alright.
Yeah, but alright. I'll be back in the morning, so I'll see you then. Alright, so it's the next day. Got back in the garage around 1 o'clock. I got back from therapy, and well, therapy went good, so we had to run back and get some wire for the welder because we ran out last night. We used our old stuff, but didn't work too well. But I'll show you. I got all this grinded down. I took this whole panel off. It's sitting by my feet now. I cut it off, ground down all the welds and stuff, and Dad cut out this patch, and I cleaned it all up and used the air one to get in and cut in here so we can get that new panel in, and the panel here. We just cut them both off right away, so. But it's looking good. I'm gonna put a few tacks on the inside, maybe, and I don't know, we'll go from there, I guess.
Hey, you show the video of you tacking. Or you grinding with the air grinder.
Oh, yeah. I was cutting with the air grinder, so I could show that clip here in just a second. So here it is. Yeah, Doc was flipping out in that one, so.
No, it's not animal cruelty.
No, it's not animal cruelty, just so you guys know. He's doing it by himself, the little dummy. It's not us. But Dad's got stuff set up over here. We got the welder set up, obviously. Dad's getting ready to cut this one piece out for the back. As soon as I'm done with my video, we'll get this. So here it is. Just cutting this one out. This one's for the front of the box. We got to cut that out yet. Grind that all smooth. Then the rest of it's basically going to be for the outside door and stuff. Brackets and for these right here. I'm working on taking them out and that mirror off on that side so that I can sandblast and maybe get new mirrors for it and paint it and stuff. But alright, so we're gonna get back to work on this.
Come back when we're tacking everything good.
Yeah, we'll come back when we're tacking it back in and we'll see. So see you guys in just a second. Alright guys, so this took a little bit longer than we planned. It's about 4:30 now, but we got all this cut out and ground down and everything. And this plate we got cut out that I showed you a little bit earlier. But it's tacked in. Dad trimmed up a few things while I was in the truck. I was grinding down some of the really gross and bad stuff that's in there so we can start getting ready for that as well. Because as soon as we're done with this, I think we're moving into the truck. But I could be wrong. But let's get in here and start welding, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Let's just start down here. Okay, first one, I can fix that. Okay.
talking all the way around. I said tacking. I'm doing solid welds. You do want to tack, so I'm doing solid welds.
You the devil. Didn't even weld when I tried welding.
Remember to do it at an angle down, tie in, you know? Pull it.
Huh?
In here? Yeah, you can do that. Just do it down at an angle. Or even if it starts at the bottom and work up. But stay on that big pole. I'll do it.
Alright guys, so I tacked it in a few spots like we did the last time. And I seen gas bubbles in here. We didn't clean it good enough, which is fine. I'll learn that for this side. I'm gonna cut that out while Dad does a solid weld through here. There's a couple huge gaps that I filled in, but I'll just learn to clean the metal better on that side, so we can get that done. So I'm not gonna video that part. I'm just gonna get it cut out so we can get that panel fit. Yeah, we might show a little bit of grinding. Depends. So, all right. Let's get some more work done, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Dad's gonna weld a solid, and I'm gonna grind and cut that off over there. So see you guys in just a little bit. Alright guys, so Dad finished up welding the plates in. It looks really nice. I finished up grinding on this side too, so that's ready to go for welding also. Here, I'll show you some of Dad's welds. Oh, here they are. So there they are. That's all done. I cut out this panel while he was doing that. We're just kind of cleaning up now. It's almost time for supper, so Mom will be coming to get me soon. So I'm probably gonna wrap this video up and get ready. Yeah, there might be more tonight, otherwise Friday. Sorry, the mic thing came off. That's gonna be loud for you. There we go. But there it is. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I'll either see you tonight or on Friday. So alright guys, see you guys later. See you guys in the next one. Bye.